Hey, Sean's Boosted Garage here again. I got this old radiator. It's out of my Mach 1 Mustang. As you can see, the fins aren't in great condition. A lot of them are bent. So I'm gonna make a little tool that I saw online, and we'll see if we can straighten some of these out. Now I have another radiator coming. It is used also, and it has a few bent fins on it, but nothing like this thing. But figure I can use this one for trial, and we'll get it perfected here. And then when the other one comes in, we'll try to straighten them out. When a lot of these get bent over, it really can affect the airflow going through the radiator, which is going to affect the cooling. My car's turbocharged, so of course I want the best kind of cooling I can get out of it. So anyways, we'll make this tool and we'll see how it works out. Okay, so here's the idea. Cut the shape out so you can, so you can hold it in your hand sort of comfortably. And at the end here, it's going to be pointed, and it's also going to be not kind of sharpened here at the end, but it's definitely going to be pointy and definitely going to sort of maybe taper the sides off, so that the idea is that you can get into the fin with it, kind of in this way and then up, and then go over the next one and in and down, and keep making your way over. So I'll get this cut out and shaped, and we'll see how it works. All right, got it made. I don't know if you can tell. I sort of have these. It's not sharpened, but it's tapered off on either side here. This is just the way I saw it made online. So I'm gonna try the same thing because I thought it was a pretty good idea. I mean, you do lots of reading. There's guys that use small screwdrivers, and I've tried that before and it doesn't seem to work that well, but I saw this other guy doing this. I'm like, that looks like a great idea. And you can hold it in your hand all right. And yeah, it also be a good prison shank too, if you're kind of into that. But anyways, I think this will, well, I don't know if it's going to work or not. We're going to give it a try and we'll see. All right, well, here we go. We gave it a little trial run. It's quite possible it's a little too thick, but let's see here. Yeah. It's not great, but at least it allows air to flow through it. Let's see what these ones. Oops. Kind of hard to, not easy to do holding the camera too. Whoops. Yeah. Yeah, it's not perfect. I think I'm gonna make it thinner because this seems to be a bit too thick. So anyways, hang tight, see what we can do. Okay, I'm back. All right, I redid redo on the shape. I just made it more pointed and kind of narrower across that way. So it does do pretty decent now. Like, see if I can get you. It's hard to get you focused. Have fun. Now you can. Let's see here. Obviously, you wouldn't do a whole bunch of these if you had to, but you kind of get the idea. You can get in there and you can fix up some of these fins. Try some other ones here. Anyways, you kind of get the idea. It's never going to be perfect, but at least they're going to be opened up a little better and flowing more air. But like I said, this radiator is pretty much trashed anyways. I got another one on the way. So anyways, I saw this the other day. At first I did it the way the other guy did, but it didn't quite work. So yeah, smaller point, thin it out, make it as thin as you can, and get in there. And I think you got to shut your brain off to do this job, because man, that would be tedious. But I'd only do it if I had like a little section or something that I wanted to fix up. But other than that, like this radiator, you'd be there for hours. So anyways, another tip for you. That's it. And if you could, subscribe, share, comment, whatever you want to do. Talk to you later.